Okay, so in this lesson, we'll do a quick tour of the Jupyter dashboard. As soon as you load the notebook, the Jupyter dashboard opens. Each file and directory has a checkbox next to it. By ticking and unticking an item, you could manipulate the respective object. That means you can duplicate or shut down a running file. Besides, you can rename, move, and delete folders. The selection menu allows you to select all the files in the console of the same type by expanding this button. For example, you could mark all the folders or all the running files. In addition, you can check this little box that will directly select all the items on the page. The logic regarding the directories management is the same as the one of an operating system. Files can be grouped into folders, and folders can contain other folders. From the Upload button in the top right corner, you can upload a notebook into the directory you are in. The Standard Explorer box opens, and when you select a file, you can click on Open, and it will immediately appear in your directory. Finally, you can expand the New button. From the list that falls, you will most likely need the browser immediately opens a new tab for me. This is the more interactive shell we mentioned earlier. Here, you will write your code and see its output. More on that in our next lecture. Thanks for watching!